The Civil Defense District of Rochester, Minnesota, has issued a civil defense warning. This is not a test. There is a danger outside and you should not go outdoors no matter what you hear. Do not respond to knocking, screaming, yelling, or cries of agony or pain. Please stay inside your home no matter what you hear. We will now issue an ending tone after this message and we will notify all citizens of Rochester when we have more information on this devastating event. Attention all U.S. citizens, this is not a test. You are in critical danger. Stay indoors and do not respond to anything coming from outside. Keep family members indoors and keep pets and siblings inside no matter what. Do not go outside because of danger to safety. We will now end this broadcast, and we will bring more information to you when we can on this devastating event threatening Rochester, Minnesota and the rest of the U.S. Attention all U.S. citizens, there is no hope in saving this nation as most of the public service has been destroyed. We will now play the national anthem in your honor and in our honor. It has been wonderful serving for this wonderful, wonderful nation. We will now play our national anthem as a final goodbye. May God be with you all in your last moments. We shall now honor this nation for the final time. God bless America. God bless you all.